Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Chloe eyeglasses, model CH0013O in color code 002. The color of the frame is transparent pink. On the glasses are protective bags to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a rectangular shape. On its temple, you'll find the Chloe logo engraved in gold. You'll also find the Chloe logo engraved on its bottom left lens. On its inner right temple is again the Chloe logo, that it's bio-based material, and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Chloe pouch, a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is carrying a pink Chloe cleaning cloth, a Chloe envelope, which holds a Chloe authenticity card. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.